addressing both sides of your client's balance sheet. It just makes sense. What doesn't make sense is forcing you to do it. We'll leave that to the bank-owned firms and their rigid cultures. Here at Stifel, you can offer your clients our full range of banking and lending services at your discretion when you feel it's appropriate. Remember, we own the bank. The bank does not own us.
We say that a lot, and we mean it. We're a wealth management firm that owns a bank, not one that is part of a bank. For advisors like you, this represents a significant distinction between Stifel and the bank-owned firms. I'm Chris Reichert. I head up banking here at Stifel. Stop and ask yourself, is holistic wealth management a true service to clients at your firm? Or is it a means to make more money? In 2007, when many of the big banks began to absorb brokerage firms, we went the other way and bought our own bank. We built a bank centered on exceptional customer service, where the advisor is our client. Our bankers serve as an extension of Stifel's entrepreneurial culture, deepening the client relationship our advisors have worked so hard to build. At Stifel, our banking capabilities match up with the wirehouses, but without all the bureaucracy, cross-selling, pressure, product pushing, or haircuts to your grid. We have developed lending solutions to support the needs of clients in managing short and long-term liquidity, helping finance homes, investment property, and other real estate, and funding various business opportunities. Let's look at some of our specific offerings. Our securities-based lending solutions, where investable assets can be pledged as collateral, offer the same capabilities as the major firms. However, ours are enhanced by experienced lenders, competitive products, and immediate responsiveness. Many of our lenders have built sustained relationships with Stifel advisors and are proud to have earned their trust and business. We've also streamlined the advisor transition process, making it easy for you and your clients to move these lines of credit to Stifel. Let's talk mortgage lending. At most firms, the quickest way to get rid of a client is to introduce them to the bank's mortgage process. Not at Stifel. This is an area of true expertise where we excel. We have some of the most experienced lenders in the business, and we arm them with every possible product they need. Further, we believe in common sense underwriting and have portfolio capabilities that many of the big banks have abandoned over the last several years. We lend in all 50 states and do everything from first-time homebuyer loans to jumbo loans, focusing on home purchases and refinancings to help your clients take advantage of low rates, all at very competitive pricing. Again, no pressure to introduce this product to your clients, but once you do, you're likely to become a repeat customer. We also offer private bank lending, which has proven to be a terrific opportunity for our ultra-high net worth clients and the advisors that work with them. Here, we essentially build custom liquidity solutions with credit facilities where we're using typically less liquid assets as collateral. Think private equity funds, business interests, real estate, aircraft, boats. As you can imagine, these types of loans are complex and require a very high-touch, white-glove level of service that our lenders are proud to provide. Like all of our services, Stifel Trust was formed to serve as a partnership with our financial advisors. There is no competition between you and a bunch of private bankers in your market. In fact, every single trust client relationship we have comes through a Stifel financial advisor. In addition to traditional trust services, including special needs and charitable trusts, our experienced professionals provide Delaware trust services. Working under the state of Delaware's favorable estate and wealth transfer laws, we serve clients who own private companies, real estate portfolios, art and antiquities, and other illiquid or closely held assets. I could go on and on about our capabilities, but I hope you've gathered that culture sets us apart. At Stifel Bank, our bankers and trust officers are experienced professionals hired to support the relationships our advisors have with their clients. That's right. Here, we know that they're your clients. Join me at an upcoming home office visit to see for yourself that it is possible to have great banking capabilities without feeling like you sold your client base and your soul to a bank.
I've been waiting for this. Yeah, I've been waiting for this. Yeah, I've been waiting.